In this video, we are going to look on how to fix Instagram algorithm option not showing. First, open up your phone settings and on the search bar, search apps and tap on it. Tap on manage apps and search for Instagram. Tap on it. Then tap on clear data and tap on clear cache. Then tap on OK. Now open up Play Store or App Store and search Instagram. Check if your app needs any update, for example like this, and tap on Update. Once the update is complete, open up Instagram. Tap on your profile. Tap on the three horizontal lines. Scroll down and tap on Content Preferences. Now you should get the option here to reset suggested content. Tap on it. Tap on Next and the content suggested to you will be reset. I hope this helps you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.